Everyone says they want to build a real estate team, more freedom, more money, more leverage. But most teams, they die faster than a housefly at an open house with no AC. Let's talk about the 6 reasons real estate teams fail and how to make sure yours doesn't. If you're building a team or thinking about it, hit subscribe. I'm breaking down the real process here, not the half-done job over on Instagram. I'm Suneet Agarwal. I run one of the top real estate teams in the US, but I built it by making just about every mistake in this video. Micromanaging, overhiring, hiring the wrong people, not hiring. So trust me, if you're feeling stuck or scaling too fast, you're not alone. Have you ever been on a team that actually worked? Drop 100 in the comments if you had a solid team experience. Let me just start by saying this. 87% of agents quit within 5 years. And most of those who try building a team burn out faster than if they'd stayed solo. Why? Because they scale chaos, not systems. And the sad part is that the teams often collapse right after early success because nothing behind the scenes was ready. Reason number 1, they recruit too fast without systems. Team leaders get excited. They bring in 5 agents before they have lead flow training, onboarding, really anything. And then they wonder why no one sticks around. Want to know what happens? Everyone's lost, no one's producing, and your culture goes up in flames. I once onboarded a few agents the same week I was on a vacation. I sent them both a Trello link and said, just shadow someone. Neither sold a house. Both left, with one even joining the team of a competitor. Don't recruit until you have a basic onboarding system, some kind of accountability flow, and a clear value proposition. Otherwise, you're not building a team, you're just starting a dumpster fire. Reason number 2, no value prop for other agents. If your whole pitch is join my team and let's win together, congrats. You've said nothing. Agents need to know what do you give them and what do you expect and why you over the 10 other teams DMing them every single day. I used to think buying Zillow leads was enough. But guess what? So does everybody else. If you can't articulate your value, your agents will keep shopping. Know your edge and build around it. It might be coaching, leads, admin, culture, but you better make it clear. Reason number 3, the leader still wants to be the star. If you want the spotlight and the stage and the sales board, stay solo. But if you're building a team, it can't be the you show. Your job is now coach, systems builder, mentor, not the top closer. I used to try to compete with my own agents on leads. I'd secretly assign myself the hot ones, but that's not what I was there for. So yeah, not the way to go. If you want to build a strong team, then step back. Let others win. Your success now comes from the whole team scoreboard, not just yours. If you ever tried to build a real estate team and it felt like herding caffeinated cats, smash that like button so I know I'm not alone. No judgment, I've been there. Reason number 4, no accountability equals high turnover. Look, freedom is great until no one shows up to the meeting. People crave leadership. So if you're not checking in, tracking numbers, or having real conversations about performance, they'll leave. And worst of all, the good ones won't even join in the first place. I once let an agent go 3 months without updating their pipeline. When I finally checked, I found 40 leads marked nurture that hadn't even been called. That could have cost me thousands of dollars. Accountability isn't micromanaging. It's setting clear expectations. Weekly meetings, lead audit scorecards, and real coaching. If you want the exact systems I wish I had when I started, download the 8 Pillars of Real Estate Business Guide. It's the SOP I used to keep our team lean, productive, and drama-free. Reason number 5, they think leads fix everything. I hear this all the time. Just give me more leads and I'll close. No, you won't. You'll drown. Leads expose your systems. If your team can't handle 10 leads, 100 won't help. I've scaled my lead budget from 3K to 10,000 in a couple months. You know what happened? Nothing, the same close rate. Turns out the problem wasn't the leads, it was the follow-up. Focus on conversion systems and not just lead volume. Things like CRM workflows, P to lead, scripts. Without that, more leads just means more waste. Reason number 6, they micromanage or disappear. No in between. Some team leaders check in every hour. Others go full on ghost mode. Neither really works. You either suffocate people or abandon them. And then you wonder why they quit. I've had team members who I haven't talked to in months hit me up. I'm surprised they're still in real estate. That's a brutal wake up call. Set a rhythm. Couple times a month one on ones, group coaching, clear goal meetings, and then step back and let them execute. I remember the moment clicked. We'd hit a real milestone, over 100 closings that year. But I looked around and half my agents and staff were pretty burned out. The other half was just tired, and I was covering everyone's gaps. It was then that I realized I wasn't leading a team, I was dragging one. That's when I rebuilt everything: systems, expectations, and training. It wasn't necessarily about scaling, it was about stabilizing. Teams don't fail because they're bad ideas, they fail because the leader never became a leader. Want freedom? Build the structure to support it. Let's recap the 6 reasons most teams fail. Recruiting without systems, no value for agents, leader still wants all the spotlight, no accountability, more leads but no conversions, and micromanaging are being missing in action. Fix those, and you're not just building a team, you're building a legacy. Everything I've learned about building a real team, the scripts, systems, recruiting, performance tracking, is in Team Leader Secrets. Get yourself on the wait list here. Do not wing it. Next up, I'm walking you through exactly how to recruit real estate agents to your team. We're talking ad scripts, outreach, and the mindset shift that actually works. Go ahead and subscribe. The good stuff's just getting started.